Before we get into it, here's a quick word on what this is. The TRAC 2 Concrete Takeoff is a standalone program. It runs entirely in your web browser. There's nothing to install, and it's not tied to Excel or any spreadsheet program. You don't need Excel, and you don't need an internet connection. It even works completely offline. Everything you enter is saved right here in the program, on your own computer. To open it, you simply open the program file, and it launches in your browser exactly like you see here. You can double-click the file or keep a shortcut or a bookmark to it, so it's just one click away. There's no setup and no logging in. When it opens, it automatically loads your last saved work, and you'll see the green loaded indicator at the top, letting you know it's ready. Right at the top, you'll notice two tabs, Imperial and Metric. The whole sheet works in either system, so you just pick the one your project uses and every calculation and label follows along. For this walkthrough, I'll stay in Imperial, so all of my dimensions are in feet. Now let's set up the project. Over on the right, I enter the project information. I choose the project here, give it a number, and set the date. This simply labels your takeoff, so it's easy to find later. Fill it in once and you're done. Here's the heart of it, the takeoff itself. Each row is one item you're estimating. Let's build one together, one column at a time. First, the element type. I click this drawdown and choose what I'm estimating, say, a strip footing. Next, the repeats column, how many times this item occurs. Then the description, where I can note the location or any detail, like parquet. And then the amount. Now the dimensions, and these are the important ones. Length, width, and height, each in feet. As soon as I fill those in, watch the right side of the sheet. The program automatically calculates the volume in cubic yards and cubic meters, and the form area in square feet and square meters. I never have to do that math myself. It updates live as I type. A few handy touches on each row. On the far right, every line has its own buttons. One to duplicate the line if the next item is similar, and one to delete it. You can also grab a row by the little handle on the left and drag it to reorder. And you'll notice the sheet keeps adding fresh blank rows as you go, so you never run out of space. As your takeoff grows, these tools at the top keep it organized. I can sort the rows by element type, by floor, or group everything together, so similar items line up. And I can filter using Show Only and the location box to focus on just one type or one area at a time. It makes a long list much easier to check. Stairs are awkward to figure by hand, so there's a dedicated stair calculator. I open it, enter the stair details, the risers, and the dimensions, and it works out the concrete and the formwork for me. When I click Apply, it drops the result straight onto the row I'm working on. There's no manual riser and tread math at all. A few more tools worth knowing. Calc is a built-in calculator, so I can run quick numbers without leaving the program. Convert handles unit conversions for when a drawing gives me a measurement I need to change. And Add Type lets me add my own element type. If I work with something that isn't already in the list, I create it once, and it's there in the drawdown from then on. When my items are all in, I click Total Sheet. This rolls everything up into one clean summary. All of my quantities and volumes added together, grouped so I can see my totals at a glance. This is usually what you hand off or print. Let's talk about keeping your work. Save stores everything right here in the program, so the next time you open the file, it all comes back automatically. If you do similar jobs often, Save Template lets you save your setup, and Load Template brings it back on a future project, so you're never starting from a blank sheet. And Print gives you a clean printout to share or file. If you ever need to start completely fresh, Clear wipes the sheet. And that's the whole program. To recap, it's a standalone tool that runs in your browser, with no Excel and no internet needed. You set up your project, enter your line items, and let it do the volume and area math for you. Lean on the Stairs Calculator and Convert tools to move faster. Total everything on the total sheet. And then save, template, or print. Thanks for watching.